Hey guys, tonight we're making mojo pork chops or chuletas con mojo. However you say it, doesn't really matter because tonight my kitchen is going to be smelling fantastic. And the ingredients that we're going to be using are 20 garlic cloves, 1 onion, 1 lime, 1 lemon, 1 orange, a half a cup of olive oil, a handful of parsley, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, salt and pepper to taste. We're going to blend everything together and we're going to marinate the pork chops for 1 hour. Now I'm going to add the olive oil at the end and pulse it. Mojo marinade is used in Cuban cooking all the time. It's used for pork, beef, chicken, and fish. Whenever I'm making mojo marinade, I like to store it in a mason jar because it keeps for about up to 2 to 3 weeks. Now we're going to pour the mojo into a bag, a Ziploc bag. I put the Ziploc bag into a cup so that it'll be easier to pour and it won't spill. So we're going to marinate this for about an hour in the refrigerator. You guys have to try this marinade. If you haven't tried Cuban mojo before, you have to try it. This will leave your meat really, really juicy. Oh, this smells so good. It smells nothing but garlic. Well, I'm just going to pat them dry just so that they won't splatter in the oil and frying it. Now the marinade, we can't use that anymore. So that's the reason why I saved this, because I'm going to be using this. So I'm patting this dry as much as I can. So tonight we're going to basically stew these pork chops. We're going to fry them on both sides. We're going to add the marinade and the extra leftover marinade, and we're going to add a little bit of water in it and cover it up and let it stew down till it's tender and falling off the bones. Now I'm adding some parsley flakes and salt and pepper. Now that the pork chops are cooked on both sides, now we're going to add the marinade. And this is what's going to make your pork chops really juicy and falling off the bone. I'm also adding a half a cup of water, and then I'm going to cover it up and let it stew down. I'm also making sweet plantains, maduros. And tonight I'm making a big dinner because we're having company. So I'm making a few things. I'm making arroz con gandules, rice, and pigeon peas. I'm making also black beans, Cuban style, frijoles negro a lo cubano. And I'm making white rice, just in case someone doesn't want the arroz con gandules. And I'm making chicken for my husband because he doesn't eat pork or beef. I'm adding an extra squeeze of orange juice just for extra flavor. Well, it's finally ready, and I'm adding some parsley to the top. So now I'm going to plate this. Well guys, this is my delicious mojo pork chops along with yuca con mojo, and I'm also having arroz con gandules, rice with pigeon peas, and I'm having on the side I also cooked some black beans, also some sweet plantains, maduros, and I'm having avocado on the side. Well guys, thank you again for watching my channel. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. God bless. Good night. Bye bye.